I was raised in an immigrant household where arts and culture weren't really a priority. One place that I did encounter art was at church. Roman Catholic churches had stained glass windows, and there were paintings found in the Bibles. I was always attracted to that stuff a little more than the rest of it. I got it where I could, marveling at the colors and the workmanship and how things are made has always appealed to me.
She's a brilliant artist, a connector, whether it's the Guatemalan Festival or the South Coast Basics Trail, that mural project, or the Cape Verdean Island Park Serpentine benches. Tracy has a powerful way of celebrating community and uplifting our spirits.
Public art has a peripheral effect on your life. If you have beauty and craft and consideration around you, you are being taken care of, you are being considered. That is just a core value of my art making. And if public art can do that for you, I think that's a sign of a healthy society.
Yeah, New Bedford, and in those areas, there's got to be that voice that reflects the contribution of immigrants in that area. And I think that her work lends to that's visibility. I remember she told me she started showing up to the council meetings, and there was no sort of representation artistically in the council meetings. And she showed up, she stepped up, she was the voice to bring that about.
I was one of the earliest voices in that way here, showing up at meetings and just kind of giving my 2 cents as a local artist, saying that we should really consider public art in these spaces. And by the way, let's pay our artists what they're worth.
Showing up is key. Having an idea is key, and just being with it. So she has all those 3 things. You can't have community without showing up with something.
Tracy deserves the Common Good Award because it's part of the way that she is as a human being. She is always looking out for the common good and really cares about the people here in New Bedford and whoever she's working with.
She deserves this award because she's inserted herself into these spaces and made it something to consider, in places where it probably wasn't.